Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so if I zoom out a little bit, just wanna zoom out. So we do have technically 5-way up. Now, I mean, at the end of the day, this could be already our third wave. Complete a bigger wave, so 5-way up, third wave completed. We have a possible A, a possible B, and now a C wave. To complete this fourth wave, you can see these are the level where a fourth wave can go. I honestly was expecting maybe to do that in a bear market, but who knows, maybe, you know, we're going all in. And that could explain how we could, you know, people that talk about 150, under 60, under $80,000. We shall see. Anyway, so we did reach already the 0.236. We have an A, we have a B, and we're working to this C wave. As you can see, I already label. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a very nice steep third wave. Now the only little problem, we don't have yet a fifth wave, right? So maybe we're just working into this fourth wave. Let me sketch it here. Where would be the level for this fourth wave? Let me move it more on the side. Okay, I'm going to go on the 1 hour. Maybe it's going to be easier now. Okay, so and already labeled that, so that's great. So we have an ABC. This could be just our A. This is the B, and now working into this C wave. C wave, okay, already labeled in white. So where was the C wave? Okay, so that I can bring it higher. So it does make sense. Already reached the 0.236 fib retracement for this allegedly fourth wave. Very possible we're going to reach the $93,000. So wave A completed, wave B completed. Okay, so I just want to point out, yeah, we have an A, B, C, and the C we have 5-way up. All this would be an A. Once again, this is a B, and now this is the C, and the C has 5-way up. So 1, 2, and possibly this is the third wave. Is it finished? Maybe not. Let me double check here. Let me move out that. Let's do some micro counting. Okay. Well, I mean, micro counting, if this is the bottom of the wave 2, this could have been a 1, 2. This is a third. I'm not sure this is the third or this is the third. Then fourth and fifth. So possibly this third wave, it could be even not finished, okay? It could be, or it couldn't, or maybe the third was here and then we're doing the fourth. Honestly, for the moment, it's not really clear. Anyway, for me, did I do an extension here? Let me double check here. I don't know what is that. Why so far? Okay, let's start back here. Okay. Seriously, can I just not? You know what? Let me lock them. So also this one, lock it. Okay. So let me do the extension wave 1 to wave 2. Let's see levels for the reasonable third wave. Actually, yeah, this could be the third wave. Could go higher though. So we shall see. Now, I'm going to take for granted, worst case scenario, that this third wave, it's finished. What would be the retracement level? Double check here, fourth wave, okay. So you can see we just tipped in, I can see an ABC. I think this is a little bit too shallow though too quick. And as you can see, how long it took to make this pullback for the wave 2. So, you know, this is way too short. I do believe this is not finished. Going to move it around here. Oh, yeah, it's true. Now I lock it. Seriously. So if we go below 88,900, 950, then I would start to be a little bit concerned. Well, not concerned, but it means maybe this fourth wave already finished. And if we go lower, then this, yeah, fourth wave is already finished, and we did something crazy, maybe A, B, C, and that's it. And we're not going for that fifth leg in white. And perhaps, you know, I don't know, maybe, yeah, honestly, this has to be the third wave, honestly. Otherwise, it's just an ABC, an ugly one. I'm trying to figure out, maybe it could have been an A, this is the B, and this is the C. Yeah, but it's supposed to be 5-way up, right? So it's kind of, but once again, you know, this is micro counting. We're never going to be, you know, perfection, you know, like, well, sometimes happen, but, you know, we shall see. But once again, all this, it gives us a pretty good damn idea on what price is doing. And definitely this is not impulsive. This is, yeah, it's not impulsive at all. And I have to say, until price doesn't go higher than 101,310, well, I don't have something bullish, short-term bullish, to say, okay, now price is skyrocketing. Would have been different if we had a 1-2 and now we break out like this. Then I would say, okay, you know what? That fifth wave is not going to happen because the price action is so bullish. It's not happening. Even better if we had a very nice 5-wave impulsive movement to the upside for this wave 1. Well, we are not having that, and we're having correction style price action. So yeah, I do believe we are meant to make maybe another lower low. Do I believe this is finished though? I do believe we can go higher. As you can see, we just reach not even the 0.32. It would be best, honestly. Who knows, you know, maybe all this is going to be just an A and we're going to do a B and a C. That would be ideal. Reaching the 0.5, reaching the MA 55, that would be really nice. This would be a very strong resistance level here. And I did tell you, I did scoop back some BTC ETFs. That was for a short period of time. If we go higher than $93,000, anywhere between 93 and 97, I'm going to start to take profits. Anyway, that was a short term, and I'm going to kind of pretty much liquidate all what I bought here in the bottom. And the idea is, yeah, if we're getting rejected between those two levels here and price go lower, then I'm going to, I want to have a cash flow to have that deal. Unfortunately, it's not going to happen for a Black Friday event. I don't think so anyway. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.